Xiaomi 14 Ultra, a super product worth the money? Hi everyone. Today I will share with you about a phone that I have been testing recently, Xiaomi 14 Ultra. In short, this is a phone that is worth considering if you are looking for a high-end smartphone. But does worth here mean should buy immediately? Let's analyze each point carefully. Price. Is it really worth it? The current selling price of Xiaomi 14 Ultra is around $999 USD. To be honest, compared to other flagship models such as iPhone or Samsung Galaxy, Xiaomi is always known for its more affordable price. This is also one of the reasons why I chose it to test. However, don't just buy it because it's cheap, because the real value of the device will depend on your experience. There are people who will feel that for the money spent, Xiaomi 14 Ultra brings an experience beyond expectations. But there are also those who will not be satisfied with a few small shortcomings. And of course, I will clarify those points right away. AMOLED display, ultimate visual experience. One of the most outstanding features of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra is the 6.73-inch AMOLED screen with 2K resolution, 3200 by 1440 pixels. The image quality that this screen brings is truly excellent. With a maximum brightness of up to 2600 nits, you can easily use the device under sunlight without any difficulty. The colors are reproduced realistically. High contrast and deep black give you an extremely satisfying experience watching movies and playing games. Not only that, with a 120Hz refresh rate, every scrolling and swiping action on the screen is very smooth. If you have ever used phones with lower refresh rates, you will see a clear difference when upgrading to Xiaomi 14 Ultra. This is especially useful when you play games or watch fast-moving content. Although there is a slight blue tint when the brightness is lowered, this doesn't really affect the overall experience much. Overall, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra's display is a real strength to behold. Camera, professional photography at your fingertips. If you are a photography enthusiast or often take photos with your phone, Xiaomi 14 Ultra will definitely not disappoint you. This smartphone is equipped with an extremely powerful camera system with the following 4 lenses. The main camera uses a 50-megapixel sensor with a size of 1 inch. f1.9 aperture and supports optical image stabilization, OIS. This large sensor helps capture more light, which is especially important when taking photos in low light conditions. Through practical experience, night photos have very high detail, true colors and no image noise. In addition, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra also has a 50-megapixels telephoto camera with f4.0 aperture and 5x optical zoom, allowing you to take photos from a distance while still maintaining impressive detail. It also has a second 50-megapixels telephoto camera with 3.2x optical zoom, providing more flexibility when you want to change the focal length quickly. Don't miss the super wide-angle camera with 50 megapixels resolution, f2.2 aperture and 128-degree viewing angle, helping you easily capture large scenes and landscape photos with high sharpness and detail. In addition to its excellent photography capabilities, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra also supports video recording at up to 8K resolution at 24 frames per second, FPS, delivering cinematic quality footage. Thanks to OIS optical image stabilization technology, video recording while moving remains smooth, minimizing shaking. However, when recording 8K video for a long time, the device will heat up quickly, especially on the leather back, which can affect the experience if you are not careful. Large capacity battery. No need to worry about running out of battery all day long. Xiaomi 14 Ultra is equipped with a 5300 mAh battery, a very impressive number compared to other high-end phones. This allows you to comfortably use the device all day long without worrying about running out of battery. Even when using many heavy tasks such as playing games, watching videos or taking photos. In actual use, I found that Xiaomi 14 Ultra can work well all day without needing to recharge, even when I play games and watch movies continuously. In particular, the device supports 90W fast charging, allowing you to charge from 0 to 100% in just about 30 minutes. This is one of the features I highly appreciate, because it saves battery charging time, especially useful for busy people who don't have much time to charge. In addition, Xiaomi 14 Ultra also supports 50W wireless charging and 10W reverse charging, helping you charge other devices such as wireless headphones or smartwatches easily. Powerful performance, gaming is not inferior. Xiaomi 14 Ultra is equipped with a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor along with Adreno 740 GPU. A perfect combination for those who are passionate about gaming. I tested heavy games like Genshin Impact, PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty Mobile, and the results were impressive. The device can handle these games well at the highest configuration without experiencing lag or frame drops. In addition, thanks to the 120Hz refresh rate, all operations in the game become smooth, respond quickly and the image is sharp. The cooling system of the device works quite well, helping the device not to overheat when playing games for a long time. MIUI 15 operating system, well optimized. Smooth experience. Xiaomi 14 Ultra runs on MIUI 15 operating system based on Android 14 platform. This is the latest version of MIUI interface with many significant improvements. MIUI interface has always been famous for its high customizability and many convenient features such as dark mode, navigation gestures, and the ability to customize the interface according to personal preferences. MIUI 15 offers a smoother user experience, fewer bugs, and better optimization than previous versions. However, some pre-installed apps can be annoying, but you can completely uninstall them if you don't need them. Other factors, integrating advanced technology. Xiaomi 14 Ultra is not only powerful in hardware but also integrated with many other advanced features. One of them is the dual stereo speaker system with Dolby Atmos technology, providing vivid and detailed sound when watching movies or playing games. 5G, Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 connections ensure fast transmission speeds, helping you stay connected stably wherever you are. The device is also water and dust resistant to IP68 standards, which means you can use it in harsh conditions without fear of damage. Points to note. Some minor drawbacks. Despite its many advantages, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra still has some disadvantages that you need to keep in mind before deciding to buy. No eSIM support. This can be a big minus for people who travel frequently and need to use eSIM. The back gets hot when used for a long time, although the cooling system works quite well. When used for a long time, especially when recording videos or playing games, the leather back is still prone to getting hot. The grip is not really good, with a large size of 163.5 by 74.6 by 9.1 millimeters and a weight of 227 grams. The device feels a bit bulky, difficult to use with one hand for a long time. Accessories are scarce. Finding genuine accessories for the Xiaomi 14 Ultra can be difficult in some markets, as the device is not as widely available as other major brands. Conclusion. Is the Xiaomi 14 Ultra worth buying? In short, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra is a premium phone with many outstanding advantages: beautiful screen, powerful performance, quality camera, and long-lasting battery. If you are looking for a flagship at a reasonable price and don't mind a few minor drawbacks, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra is definitely a good choice. However, if you need features like eSIM or want a compact phone that is easy to hold, you should probably consider other options. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or want to know more details about Xiaomi 14 Ultra, please leave a comment below.